Hello my good people, welcome to this channel. My name is Mamba and this is MUKURU Affordable Housing Construction Progress. This is MUKURU Kwajenga Affordable Housing Construction Progress. You can see so far. Yesterday, 3,000 units were allocated to their owners. MUKURU Affordable Housing Project is being constructed on 56 acres. It covers 56 acres of land near Enterprise Road, and you can see what has been done so far. You can clearly see what has been done. The aim of MUKURU Affordable Housing is to transform informal settlement to modern, dignified, and affordable homes, reduce slums conditions, and improve living standards of low-income residents. This project will comprise of 13,248 residential units, bed-sitter units, one-bedroom apartments, two-bedroom apartments, and you can see what has been done so far. Already, some of these apartments have people. The ones who were located, these apartments, they are already inside, and you can see there will be kiosk, and this estate will have school, this estate will have hospital. The modern facilities that are accompanied with an estate are going to be here in MUKURU Affordable Housing, and you can see how beautiful the apartments are. For you to get a bed sitter, you have to book, and you are going to pay every month 3,900. For you to get a one-bedroom apartment, you are going to pay 4,000 Kenyan shillings every month. For you to get a two-bedroom, you are going to pay 5,000 Kenyan shillings every month until you become the real owner of the apartment or the bed-sitter house. You can see the construction is going on, and already some of these houses are complete. Yesterday, 3,000 units were handed over to their respective clients. To the owners, and you can see construction is going on. You can clearly see for yourself as construction goes on. Some of these apartments, they are already under use. You can see for yourself. You can clearly see for yourself. The MUKURU Affordable Housing Project began in 2022, and you can see what has been done by 2025 December. Great things have happened under these 56 acre of land. You can see for yourself. This is a government project under bottom-up economic transformation agenda, which was launched by President William Samuel Ruto, and you can see what has been done so far. Just imagine, with 5,000 you are going to live in a two-bedroom apartment. With 4,000 you are going to live in one-bedroom apartment, and with 3,900 you are going to live in a bed-sitter. And the good news is, after a period of time, this becomes fully your property. Just imagine. This is a game changer, not only for people living in slums, but also for the Kenyans. You can see for yourself. It has created many job opportunities on the construction. You can see for yourself. If you are new here, like the video and subscribe, and keep enjoying the MUKURU Affordable Housing Construction Project as we talk of December 2025. Many units have been handed over to their respective house owners, and the construction is still going on. You can see here, construction of more affordable houses is going on. Let's keep watching the video. This is MUKURU kwa jenga affordable housing project be constructed near Enterprise Road, covers 56 acres of land, is going to comprise of 13,248 residential units, which are bed-sitter apartments, 1-bedroom apartment, 2-bedroom apartments, and you can see for yourself. This is in Nairobi, Kenya.